Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Jenny, and today I'm gonna take you with me, little day in my life vlog, just trying to be productive and push through depression and little chatty video. So let's jump right on into it. I just finished filming a little video for the e.l.f. Soft Glam foundation. I really like it. I did my eyes and the rest of my face how I normally would. It is a bit of a lighter coverage foundation. It says medium buildable. I feel like it's more like light medium buildable-ish. I also usually use some foundations that are a bit more pigmented, so I'm used to more like full coverage, but I really like it. So make sure you subscribe to see that video and see my thoughts on the application and everything. I'm gonna try to put away some laundry. I've really been struggling mentally, but let's try to be productive. We got a lot of laundry to put away. So I have always struggled with anxiety and depression. I feel like almost all my life, which is probably dramatic sounding, but I was bullied at a very young age and onward. So I feel like I've always kind of had just that anxiety of being around people and then just being bullied by, you know, like obviously kids in school, strangers, even like family members making comments and stuff here and there. And I feel like I am getting somewhat better. I've talked to my doctor about it. I'm not seeing a therapist right now, but my doctor did prescribe me some medication that's supposed to help like anxiety and depression in general, and I feel like it's definitely helped a bit, so we did up that. And then I just have a lot of stress going on in general life. Like, I don't like where we're living right now, that whole situation, and wanting to have my weight loss surgery, but like stress eating, and just from the holidays and everything, my weight's up a bit, so I'm trying to eat better and get my weight down. But this is something I never really talked about a whole ton, but I have always really struggled to hold a job. Realistically, it's probably been the last like 4 or 5 years that I've really been struggling with it. I feel like I've always struggled with it, but being back home and when I was living with my family, like I had them there to kind of, you know, rely on for support and things. But ever since moving to Colorado, just being on my own and being so far from family has just really been hard, and I'm not really close with Sean's family, unfortunately. That's like a whole another story time on why his family hates me. I mean, they don't really hate me, but if you want a story time on that or want me to talk about that more, let me know, because I totally can. But I don't know, it's just been really hard lately, and I got a job that I really like and then I messed it up like I always do. Just, it's hard. When we were living on our own, I actually had applied for disability, and then my anxiety and depression was too bad that I couldn't actually follow through with it and do the interview process. But they did come back and say that based on my like medical records and my history and everything that I told them and the paperwork, that I technically am disabled according to the state of Colorado, because my anxiety and depression is that bad. So just putting that out there for like a bit of perspective. Like, when I say it's bad, it's bad. I know some people struggle and it's hard to like get out of bed in the morning and get to work and stuff. Mine is like crippling, where I just want to lay in bed and cry all day. But this is something that I love to do, and it's something that I can do. I can do it from home. I can talk to you guys. I can, you know, help other people not feel so alone, and I just really love it. It's fun to do my silly little makeup videos, and then also do like vlogs of shopping and things and just sharing my life. I feel like it has really helped with my anxiety and depression, also the medication, and I feel like being more open and honest with my boyfriend, just talking to Sean more and, you know, letting him know how I'm feeling and just be like, today's not a great day. There are days when I wake up, I can just tell like, yep, this is gonna be a hard day where I'm really gonna have to force myself. And I'm really proud of myself because I have been a lot better at being able to get up and force myself to do stuff. Like today was one of those days where I didn't feel like doing anything, but I filmed this video, I filmed a makeup video, and I'm working on putting laundry away. Like, I feel like YouTube and doing this has helped me so much, and I know there's not like thousands and thousands of you, so like I feel like y'all are my friends and I really want to get to know you all better. So like, let me know some stuff about you down in the comments. Like, let's all be friends. This is a warm, fun space. That's what I want it to be. I want to be that comfort creator and that safe space. So if you're ever going through anything or just need someone to talk to or something to vent about, comment down below. I can respond in a video. I can message you. I think you can message on here still. that a thing? Don't know. But I just wanted to be open and honest. Like, I'm not working right now and I feel really bad because Sean is, you know, basically the breadwinner and paying for everything. It's like I still have a tiny bit of money left, but it's all pretty much on him right now, which, to be fair, like, there was a time where he wasn't working for quite a while, and even though I kept jumping from job to job, I was working, you know, trying to provide for us. So right now it's just my turn to just really work on myself and get healthy. I don't really plan on talking about this a whole ton in all my videos. Like, I don't want this channel focus to be purely on mental health, but that's just a part of my life, so I'll probably, you know, throw in little updates here and there and different vlogs and just chat with you guys, because like I said, it really does help me. Basically, this is just me rambling on and on while doing laundry to say thank you. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I love you guys all so much and I just can't wait to see how my channel grows over this year. I have so much that I want to teach and give and show. Like I said, just be that comfort person. So if you are kind of a loner that doesn't have many friends, hi, I'm Jenny, I'm your new best friend. But yeah, my biggest piece of advice for anyone that's also struggling mentally is talk to someone. If you're ever feeling alone, just please find someone, and if it ever gets bad, just see a doctor, even if it's like the ER or something. Like, you are so loved and so worthy of being here, and I'm so happy you're here. Like, truly, like, I'm happy you're here watching my video, but also just, if you're fighting, I'm so proud of you for still fighting. Anywho, I'll get off my soapbox now. Thanks is exploring. Yeah, mama doing laundry, kind of. Also, having a pet that you can, you know, hang out with and cuddle also really helps. So I have been obsessed with Starbucks' pink drink lately, and it's kind of pricey, so I decided I wanted to try to make it myself at home for cheaper. So I got this strawberry juice from Simply. I'll shake it up, and then some coconut milk. That's all it said online is what you need, so hopefully that's all you need. I know it looks more creamy than pink, but it smells really good, so fingers crossed. Okay, I grabbed my extra light, and I feel like it might look a tiny bit more pink. Maybe it's just me, but let's give it a try. That's really good. I did probably like 2/3 strawberry and like 1/3 coconut milk. It's not exactly the same, obviously, because Starbucks is Starbucks, but this is really good. 10 out of 10. I am going to force myself to get some dishes done. We don't have a ton to do, but it's enough that it's stacked up. I put the clean ones away, so let's do it. Buying a pair of dish gloves is like the best investment ever. I've never really hated doing dishes, but it's not my favorite. And ever since getting these, it makes it so much easier and so much better. I am so tired. I'm about to take my makeup off and get unready for the day and just crawl into bed. It's been a long day, but not even that long. I'm just exhausted. So I love you guys so much. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to join the family. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.